In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts using your data in Notion. If you've been looking for a streamlined way to visualize your data directly from Notion, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can follow along with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening Notion. This is where you have all your data stored, so let's get that loaded up. Once you're in Notion, navigate to the database that contains the data you're aiming to visualize. It's important that your database is well organized with all the necessary numeric fields included, as these will be the foundation for your charts. Make sure to double check that your data is clean and contains accurate numeric values, which will facilitate the charting process. Next, we need to export this Notion database as a CSV file. Notion does a great job at housing your data, but to create powerful visualizations, we'll move it into Google Sheets. Exporting as a CSV is straightforward. Just select the export option and choose CSV format. This will download your data onto your computer, ready for the next step. Now we'll transition into Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets and import the CSV file you just downloaded. Google Sheets is an excellent tool for this task as it offers intuitive charting features. Once the data is uploaded, have a look to ensure everything has been correctly formatted and the data looks as you expect. Our next move is to insert a chart. Clicking on the Insert menu and selecting Chart will prompt Google Sheets to work its magic. The platform will typically try to recommend a chart type, but feel free to explore different options, such as bar, line, or pie charts, to best suit your data visualization needs. Customize the chart to your preference, adjusting labels and colors to make your data story shine. Once you're satisfied with your newly created chart, it's time to publish it or get the embed link. In Google Sheets, go to the File menu, find the Publish to the Web option, and select it. You can choose whether to publish the entire sheet or just your chart. Once everything is set, get the embed link that's generated. This link will be your bridge between Google Sheets and Notion. The final step is to head back into Notion. In your Notion page, type embed to activate the embed block and paste the link you copied from Google Sheets. And there you have it. Your chart should now appear within your Notion page, beautifully illustrating your data directly in your workspace. This integration not only enhances how you track and visualize data, but also maintains an organized and professional appearance in your Notion workspace. Thank you for joining today's session on creating charts in Notion, and happy charting.